In this video, we are going to show you how to perform a 3-point calibration of a TurtleTough pH DSS sensor using the TurtleTough Handheld Field Communicator, or HFC for short. To perform this calibration, you are going to need a TurtleTough pH sensor, a handheld field communicator, pH buffers with values of 4, 7 and 10, 3 beakers, deionized water, and a pack of lint-free tissues. First, connect the pH sensor to the handheld field communicator. Turn the HFC on by pressing the mode button. The HFC will display the live pH value, indicating that the sensor is connected. Rinse the sensor with deionized water to remove any possible contamination, then dry it by gently patting it dry. Place the sensor into the buffer 7 solution to establish this pH sensor's offset. Allow a few seconds for the reading on the HFC to stabilize. Note that older sensors can take several minutes to stabilize, while new sensors will stabilize very quickly. By pressing the mode button, scroll through the menu until the LED indicates Cal Offset. Press the up or down arrow keys to adjust the offset until the value on the screen reads 7. Press the mode button to save and lock in the offset value and finalize the first calibration. Rinse and pat dry the sensor again before placing it in the second buffer. Allow a few seconds for the reading on the HFC to stabilize. Press the mode button until the Cal Slope LED turns red. Press the up and down arrow keys until the value on the screen matches the buffer 4 pH value. Press the mode button to save and lock in the offset value and finalize the second calibration. Remove the sensor from buffer 4, rinse and pat dry again to start the third calibration. Place the sensor into the buffer 10 solution to establish the pH sensor's alkaline slope. Allow a few seconds for the reading on the HFC to stabilize. Once the reading is stable, press the up and down arrows until the value displayed matches the buffer 10 pH value. Now you are finished. You can check your calibration by placing the sensor into each buffer. A properly calibrated sensor will show the correct pH value in each buffer. For more video solutions, visit turtletoughsensors.com.